Welcome to another Frontdoor app Fix-It tip. Now here on Designing Spaces, we're learning how the Frontdoor app can help homeowners with home repair and maintenance needs. And today we're going to be showing you how it's a great tool to help you stay proactive to maintain your heater. Now you're going to want to make sure that it's in tip-top shape, and you're also going to want to make sure that you're ready for those cold months ahead. Now here we have the lovely homeowner, Madison. Madison, welcome.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So just in a few simple taps, we're going to be able to connect with a virtual expert from Frontdoor, and we're going to be able to video chat with them, and they're going to be able to do a DIY checklist for your furnace. How easy is that, right? Don't have to call anyone. You ready to go?
Yeah, great. We recently moved in, so we want to make sure everything's working properly.
Better to be safe than sorry.
Hi, Micah. This is Madison. How are you?
I'm doing well, Madison. Nice to meet you. How can I be of assistance?
We want to just do a walkthrough inspection of our heating unit.
That sounds great. We can turn the power off from the unit right here in the top middle.
Okay.
So breaker, we'll turn it off so we can be safe. Take off this panel. So there should be some screws here on the right.
All right, so we've got that panel off.
Okay, fantastic.
So as Madison goes through her DIY furnace checkup with the HVAC expert, let's share this great tip. You can use the app to not just fix problems, but to proactively maintain the systems in your home, especially with something as important as your furnace. It's nice to have that peace of mind that everything's gonna be okay, or know if there are any issues that may require in-person help from a pro.
We're gonna wanna make sure that the fan comes on that's just below it. So that's this big component on the bottom. Yep, this big blower. And we're gonna wanna make sure that the heat comes on. What this is gonna do is this is gonna measure amps, and the one directly above it is gonna measure volts. So we tested and we made sure that we have power and that everything comes on. If you wanna just unhook your meter from off of the unit, we're gonna put the door back on, turn the breaker back on so the unit comes back on. Perfect. Well, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to help you out today.
Appreciate you walking me through.
Absolutely, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.
Okay, Madison, so you just finished your video chat with the expert from Frontdoor. How do you feel? Tell me all about it.
Great. He walked me through every step and even gave us a couple good tips on how we can save on our heating bill.
That's great. So he was able to help you, and I feel like you're like confident about it. Being able, like you said, to have that step-by-step, I mean, it gives you that peace of mind.
Absolutely.
That was great. Now, Frontdoor can be used for repairs, maintenance, and even offers members exclusive pricing on new name brand HVAC systems if a replacement is needed. It's a one-stop app for all your heating and cooling needs. You can download and try the Frontdoor app for free from the Apple App Store or Google Play, and check out their website at frontdoor.com. And remember, you can also find more information on our website at designingspaces.tv. And be sure to watch for more Frontdoor app Fix-It tips as our series continues right here on Designing Spaces.